How to get the best Shutterfly discount promo codes. Want to save on photo books, prints, and personalized gifts? Shutterfly promo codes can cut costs by up to 60%, and here's how to find and use them. So, active deals include 50% off site wide, 40% off orders over $40, and up to 60% off seasonal specials. New customers can also get 50% off their first $100 order. So you can find verified codes on Shutterfly's official website, coupon sites such as Coupon Follow, and Retail Me Not. Signing up for Shutterfly's emails also unlocks exclusive codes. So to be able to use these codes at checkout, enter the promo code in the discount box. Codes apply best to photo books, prints, and personalized gifts. Seasonal sales often stack with promo codes for maximum savings. And that is how you can get the best Shutterfly discount promo codes.